Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about, is it too late to start a $10,000 a month social media marketing agency? I get this question all the time. Is the market saturated? Are all the clients taken care? Are they gone? Is everybody, got all the clients? There's no more clients to be had. We're going to talk about that today. I've been doing social media for a long time, and I get this question, and perhaps it may be in your mind. Are there still dentists left? Are there still plumbers left? Are there still contractors left? Maurice, can I still quit my job and make $10,000 a month? Well, today is your lucky day. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. We're going to talk about it, okay? We're going to figure out, is it too late? Okay, has your time passed you by? Is the opportunity of SMMA still available to you? Okay, well, unequivocally, the answer is no. Okay, you still can make $10,000 plus a month in SMMA. But here's the truth of the matter, gang. If you don't get started now, I believe the opportunity will be gone. Okay, why? Because a lot of people, okay, have endeavored in this industry of SMMA. Okay, there's big companies, small companies. Everybody's getting involved with digital marketing now, because it's the thing. If you're not advertising online, or if businesses aren't advertising online, you're gonna get left behind. Okay, you're gonna be extinct. Okay, you have to evolve in business. That's very important. So a lot of people see the opportunity to learn it and to take their skill set and their knowledge to the local business owners or to the small businesses that are out there. Okay, so unequivocally, ladies and gentlemen, you still have time, okay, to make money in social media marketing. All right, you still can hit 10K, and you guys already know the philosophy and mindset you need to have in order to make big money in SMMA. Okay, it all boils down to execution. Okay, write that down. It boils down to execution. The reason why most people haven't hit it big in SMMA or aren't making money, they're not executing. Maurice, how do I execute? You guys already know that the fastest way to get clients in SMMA is through the phone. Okay, and if you're not prospecting, okay, using the phone, or you're doing cold emails, you're doing loans, setting up funnels, Facebook ads, and all the other stuff, LinkedIn, and all the other strategies you can do to get clients, ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to get clients. You have to be out there, belly to belly, ear to ear, face to face with prospects. Okay, that's number one. Okay, as I look back over my tenure of doing SMMA and coming from a $10 an hour job to making 100 G's my first year in social media, it all boiled down to my execution. Okay, if I had to put a finger on that button, what would it be? It had to be my execution, my work ethic. Some of you guys' work ethic just doesn't come up to par when it comes to being in business for yourself. Okay, you got to get your ambitions and your energy levels up. Some of you guys' energy level is just too low to make the big money in social media marketing. That's why you're struggling, because you don't believe in yourself. Okay, and that's one of the things that I knew. If I could work a 9 to 5, okay, actually I was working a graveyard, so I was working, I was actually working 10 to 6, okay? I got off at 6 in the morning. I went in at 10. But I knew if I could work a 9 to 5 for someone else, I knew in my heart of hearts, man, I could do this, okay? I knew that I don't care how long it took, how much money I spent, all right? I was going to be successful in SMMA. Write that down. See, you have to know within yourself and believe within yourself you can do this. And if you don't believe that, don't get on the playing field. Okay. If you don't believe you can win the game, don't pick the phone up. Okay. See, I know before we pick up the phone game, I'm getting clients. Okay. Write that down. You have to believe, okay, before you receive. And a lot of you guys want to receive before you believe, and that's not going to happen. That's just not how life works. Notice that if someone was to build a house, the house is finished before the house is built. Let's say that again, because I know that went over a lot of you guys' head. Ladies and gentlemen, before someone builds a house, the house is already built and complete before the house is built. We call that a blueprint. And see, a lot of you guys want things built before the blueprint comes into play. See, the most important thing, okay, that goes into building a house is getting an architect, someone to visualize and draw that thing out clear before they hand it over to a construction worker to build a house. Okay, so let's get back to this. How do you make $10,000 a month? Okay, in SMMA is really, really simple. Okay, it boils down to 5 clients. Okay, paying you $2,000 a month. Okay, that's 10 G's. That's simple. All right. Okay, that's the blueprint. We want 10K a month. Okay, but we need to go get wood. We need to go get nails. Okay, we need to get concrete, and we got to get some skilled workers, okay, to build the house. How does that relate to SMMA? Well, gang, first of all, you got to get a blueprint. You got to get the game plan. You got to click the link in the description and get the course so you can learn what's necessary and what you need to do when it comes to prospecting. You got to get your skill level up, and then also you got to go to work. You got to roll your sleeves up. You got to get dirty. You may hit your hand with the hammer. You know what I mean? You may get splinters. You may go through all of this. You may get hung up on. This is what happens, gang, in SMMA. A lot of you guys don't want to pay the price. The house costs $200,000 to get built. The course costs thousands of dollars. Coaching costs thousands of dollars. And here's the truth of the matter, gang. If you're not willing to go through the process of what it takes to build a house, you can't get a house. And if you're not willing to invest in yourself, spend hundreds of dollars on thousands of dollars on courses and course coaching and all the things that's necessary and apply yourself, you got to stay up. You got to go through the courses. You got to do all this stuff. You got to get better. If you're not willing to do that, gang, you won't make $10,000 a month. You have to go get a job, or you have to continue to work a job to pay your bills. You can't be like Uncle Maurice, chilling on his boat and traveling and enjoying life and buying what I want to buy and living where I want to live. You know what I mean? So you have to determine, am I willing to go through blood, sweat, and tears to hit this elusive $10,000 a month? Okay? That's what you got to understand. Because if you're not willing to do what's necessary, gang, you can kiss $10,000 goodbye. You can kiss that Ferrari goodbye, and all your ambitions and dreams get by. Because I learned in life, all the beautiful things are on the top shelves. Okay? And every book you read, and every course you read, and every coach you hire moves you up higher so that you can grab all the stuff that's on the top shelf. See, a lot of you guys aren't applying yourself, so you're on the bottom, and all the stuff you want is at the top, and you can't get it because you're not willing to grow. You got to grow, and books, courses, and coaching helps you to grow to the levels you need to get to so that you can get to the big money. Now, I thought to myself, $10,000 was a lot of money at the time, and to me that didn't have it. It was. But as I began to build my business, I was like, man, 10 ain't one. Then I hit 20, 30, 40. Now I'm on my way to hitting 50K a month in SMMA. And I all came through, like I was saying earlier, having a blueprint, executing at a next level. You guys are executing at a basic level. How do you know you're executing at a high level? How much are you spending on courses and trainings and coaching? Are you spending $100, $50? When the last time you put $1,000 down on a course or hired a coach at 5, 10 grand? Like, that scares me. I'm not going to give that. Ladies and gentlemen, you can never enjoy the hard things in life because you're not willing to do that. Go invest a couple grand in a course and apply it and see what type of dividends or returns you're going to get. You know, they talk about cryptocurrency and the stock market. You can get, 4 or 5%. You know, you may get lucky. You know, I had some friends that got lucky and, made a ton of money in this crypto thing, and that's nice. But we're talking about consistently. I consistently generate $20,000 to $30,000 to $40,000 every month consistently. And that came through my education, execution, and skill. Okay? At will, ladies and gentlemen. At will, if I want to make an extra 4 or 5 grand, I can do it if I wanted to, because I have the skill set. You can't just go into the stock market, okay? Perhaps you could. I mean, maybe Warren Buffett and some of the top people, they could because of their skill level. But the average Joe, and I'm an average Joe, could go in and make 5 to 10 grand extra right now if I want to, okay? And that's because I have invested in my mind. See what I'm saying? And so that's the difference, ladies and gentlemen, of why I still invest in courses and coaching and all that stuff, okay? Because I know the dividends and the returns you get when you invest in a course, when you hire a coach, and when you execute. That's the key. A lot of you guys have watched so many YouTube videos, it ain't funny, but you're not executing, and that's why you're broke, okay? And I want to fix that. I don't want nobody to be broke and not have the nice things in life, but you got to execute. So the moral of the story, is it too late? No, it's not too late. You still can make $10,000 in SMMA. Just got to apply yourself, get your skill level up, prospect, and $10K a month is yours in the next 30 to 90 days. Click the link in the description if you're ready to do that. Grab the course, get busy, go to work, lock yourself in a room 1 to 2 hours a day, and make you some money. This is Uncle Maurice. Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. Hit the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. I puts out fire like this on the regular. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.